everyone. We're going to start with Word 2019 Module 1, and the first assignment is called Keyboarding Test Submission. Go ahead and open that Word document. You can type your name in the box available and then answer 2 questions. And then what you'll do is hover over this free typing test, hold Control and click, and it'll actually take you to this website where you're going to take a 1-minute time test. In the middle it should say number 26 Classic Tales. It's a 1-minute typing test. Go ahead and click Start, and you'll click Start one more time when you're ready. So it's the same one, number 26 for 1 minute, and then you'll click Start, and as soon as you begin typing it'll start a timer, and at the end you'll get your results, which are your words per minute and any errors that you have. When that screen comes up, if you could just give me a screenshot of that in the Word document and submit it, that would be great. There is no grade for how fast you type or how many errors you have. Just for doing the assignment, you'll get full credit. This is just out of curiosity, and maybe you'd like to know how many words per minute you type. Good luck, and you can do it a couple times if you're not happy with the results. Once you're finished, again, to do a screenshot, the directions are right here. Insert, screenshot, use screen clipping, and then you'll take a picture of the results screen and submit this file. Thank you.